Hey guys, welcome to Elevate 2018. We're glad that you guys chose to come, and we're expecting great things. We know that in the years past, all the churches that have come together and joined with us, God has done amazing things in your young people, in your youth. It's not about Waterfalls Church. It's not about just what we want to do, but we're promoting you, your churches, your young people. And like I said before, we're expecting great things. We're expecting an outpouring of the Holy Spirit here, and giftings and callings to rise up, and boldness to come into this young generation to do the will of God and to shake things up. Amen.
Yeah, we're excited to pour into the youth this week. We're going to have an awesome time. God is awesome, and we're just going to get in there, so let's get ready and go.
Amen.
Amen.
Woo, Elevate 2018.
What he said.
Royal Tailor, back at it again, y'all. Yeah, and we about to blow this track straight up. Everybody get ready, cause here we go. Got a flame that's taking over the globe. Yeah, burning through the chains that hold. No matter what your past is, leave it in the ashes. Gonna light it up like it's pyro. Gonna set it up and watch it explode. It's no secret, I know you feel it. We're coming alive. We got that fire. Yeah, we got that fire. Shut up inside my bones. My heart's about to bust, I'm bleeding hope. About to loose the truth and let it go. So ready or active, I'm a box of matches. Gonna light it up like it's pyro. Gonna set it up and watch it explode. It's no secret, I know you feel it. We're coming alive. Yeah, we got that fire. You know we got it. You know we got it. You know we got the fire. You surround me with a song of deliverance from my enemies, till all my fears have gone. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God.
It's just amazing to see what God is doing. It is just awesome to see what God is doing. Not to experience, but to know and to know that here, I'm a work in progress. How do you just say that? I'm a work in progress.
I've been born again to a family. Your blood flows through my veins.
Because this is what you need to do when you leave camp. You have to keep it floating. You have to keep it floating because you can get all excited. Your friends that are not here, the ones that provoke you or tempt you, or the girls, the guys, the addiction, the drugs, your parents, whatever it may be, they're not here. You have to find a way to sustain yourself, and you have to know that lessons that sustain the rest of our lives. It's not just this moment. This is a great moment, but there's more. You know what's going to happen. What's a mess? Your boats are empty at home. You're full right now, but your boats are empty at home. But God can use you to fill those boats up. You can't allow nothing to define you. It's going to be hard. Everybody say hard. It's going to be hard. The devil's going to come against you. But you have to stand on solid ground. Not on quicksand. Quick to run, quick to do the same thing, quick to forget about what you learned. No, you're going to stand on solid ground. And that's the solid rock, Jesus Christ. And you're going to stand and say, I'm going to fulfill the calling that God has for me. Nothing will define me but the blood of the Lamb will define me. Jesus Christ.
We've been liberated from our bondage. We're the sons and the daughters. Let us sing our...
It's still. You cannot take something and just put it in a box. You have to be able to activate. Bring that box out and say, okay, Lord, here it is. What I'll do with it. Where are you taking me? Where are you sending me? I want to do your will. So if you're ready for that, just stay put. Just stay willing and say, Lord, here's my life. Just keep saying, here's my life.
You split the sea so I can walk right through. tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard. Tell the world, tell them. Broadcasting like a radio. Tell the world you ought to know. I'm brand new. I know one thing's true. I don't even really deserve to know you, but I'm a witness that you did this, and I'm brand new. So I'm ready to go, and I'ma tell the world what they need to know. A slave to myself, but you let me go. I tried getting high, but it left me low. You did what they could never do. You cleaned up my soul and gave me life. I'm so brand new, and that's all that matters. I ain't love you first, but you first loved me. In my heart I cursed you, but you set me free. I gave you no reason to give me new seasons, to give me new life, new breathing. But you hung there bleeding, you died for my lies and my cheating, my lust and my greed. What is a man that you mindful of him? And what do I have to deserve this loving? Trying to make the moments last, holding on to the past, but like a hero in a dream, Christ came and he rescued me. Now I'ma tell the world, tell the world, tell them. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard. Tell the world, tell them. Broadcasting like a radio. Tell the world you ought to know. I'm brand new. I can't offer you nothing, but your carry kindness keep coming. And your love is so unconditional, I get butterflies in my stomach. I got the old me in the rear view, got a new me, got a clear view. I was so dead I couldn't hear you, too deep in sin to come near you. But you drew me in, you clean me up, to take me home, beam me up. Before you do, just let me tell the truth and let these folks know that I done seen your love. And it's everlasting, infinite, it goes on and on, you can't measure it. Can't quench your love, that can't separate us from the love of God, there's no estimate. My face look the same, a frame to rearrange, but I'm changed, I promise ain't the same. Your love so deep, you suffered and took pain. You died on the cross to give me a new name. Ain't nothing like I seen before, I got a beam and glow. I was low down and dirty, but you clean me, Lord. You adopted me, you keep rocking me. I'ma tell the world and ain't nobody stopping me. Trying to make the moments last, holding on to the past, but like a hero.
Hey, we want to thank you for everything and everybody that made this camp possible. It was amazing. It was awesome.
And we hope to see you again next year.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Don't miss out.
Let's go.